We all naturally have mucus and phlegm in our throats. They keep the throat moist and help with easy swallowing of food. You can call it the lubricant of the throat. Sadly, when they accumulate, they can also cause a lot of irritation, coughing, and difficulty breathing. This is especially true for people with allergies or as a result of a cold or other respiratory infection. But you don't have to worry because today we will be talking about the top 7 herbs to get rid of mucus and phlegm in your throat. 1. Ginger. The first herb on our list is ginger. Ginger is a very popular herb that has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that can ease the congestion in your chest and dry out the excess mucus buildup. The best part about this amazing herb called ginger is that it's very refreshing. You can consume ginger raw, in tea, grated in meals, or even in ginger candies. It works its magic when consumed, breaking down the stubborn mucus that lingers in your throat. Ginger has a warming effect that soothes irritation, reduces any coughing fits you have, and allows you to breathe freely again. Another option is to get your ginger in capsules. Its active compound, gingerol, will break down and expel mucus while soothing the throat. Although ginger is a natural herb that can ease your throat's mucus and phlegm, if the mucus accumulation persists, you should see a doctor for more ways to ease your discomfort. Number 2. Eucalyptus. You may know eucalyptus for its refreshing qualities, but what makes it more wonderful is its ability to break down mucus and phlegm. Eucalyptus provides much-needed relief for your throat because it contains a powerful compound called cineol, or eucalyptol. This compound is an expectorant, which means that it helps loosen and remove mucus and phlegm from your respiratory tract. You can take in eucalyptus by inhaling the herb's vapor through your mouth and nostrils. When you heat the eucalyptus, it releases its essential oil as vapor. This vapor works its way down your throat and lungs to break down the mucus and help you expel it out of your system. It opens up the airways and eases breathing by interacting with the mucous membranes, reducing inflammation and thinning out the sticky mucus for free flow down the nose and mouth. There are different ways to use eucalyptus, but the best one is by steam inhalation. Put a drop of the essential oil in a bowl of water and inhale deeply with your head covered. You will feel the vapor rush down your throat, loosening mucus and providing you with instant relief. When you consider the powerful effects of eucalyptus, it won't surprise you to learn that it can be found in cough drops, lozenges, and throat sprays. Pharmacists often combine this herb to provide targeted throat and lung relief. Number 3. Peppermint. The next herb is peppermint. Peppermint is widely known for its sensation, which makes it great for getting rid of mucus and phlegm. It contains menthol, which is a natural compound that has expectorant properties. When inhaled in vapor form or drunk, peppermint can help break down and loosen mucus and phlegm from your throat. It works directly on your respiratory system to provide the much-needed relief you crave. The menthol in peppermint is a soothing agent that calms inflammation and irritation in your throat. It also relaxes the respiratory tract muscles to allow you to cough out the mucus and phlegm. You can take peppermint by steam inhalation or in tea form. The warmth combines with the herb to soothe the throat, thin the mucus, and facilitate mucus removal. Its properties make it a familiar ingredient in lozenges, throat sprays, and inhalers. You should note that if you have any underlying health conditions, it's best to consult a healthcare professional to ensure that peppermint is suitable for you. 4. Licorice. Licorice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries because of its soothing and expectorant properties. It contains a compound known as saponins. Saponins help with the thinning and loss of mucus. As you know, you cannot cough out this excess mucus because of its thickness. Licorice can reduce the viscosity of the mucus and help it come out easier from your respiratory tract. It has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and reduce irritation in the throat. You can consume the licorice herb by steeping it in hot water and drinking it as tea. A warm sip will reduce the mucus and phlegm while you enjoy its natural sweetness. Because of its sweet taste, you can also use licorice as a therapeutic infusion in your teas. Its soothing qualities are why it is a familiar property in most throat and cough syrups. Probably the only side effect this wonderful herb has is that excess consumption can have negative effects on your body. So you should consume it in moderation. It is best to consult a healthcare professional before using licorice as a mucus and phlegm remedy, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. 5. Thyme. Number 5 is thyme. Thyme is an aromatic herb that has been used for ages for its medicinal properties. You might be familiar with this herb due to its kitchen duties, but it also has the ability to get rid of mucus and phlegm in the throat. Thyme contains thymol and carvacrol compounds, which possess expectorant and antispasmodic properties. These compounds can relax the respiratory tract muscles and promote easier breathing. It does this by expelling the mucus and phlegm in your throat. The most effective way to get the full benefit of thyme for throat congestion is through steam inhalation. Just a few sprigs of fresh thyme or thyme essential oil in a bowl of hot water can work wonders. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam deeply to get that soothing relief. The steam will break up mucus and clear all congestion, and you will breathe freely again. You can also use thyme in herbal teas or as an ingredient in your homemade cough syrups. Generally, thyme is safe for consumption and provides relief for throat congestion. However, this herb may interact with other medications and pose risks for people with specific health conditions. It is best to confirm with your doctor or healthcare provider if thyme is perfectly safe for you in the case of any underlying health conditions. Harness the powerful ability of thyme to get rid of mucus and phlegm in your throat. 6. Oregano. This particular herb is very popular because of its flavor, especially in dishes. Oregano is a popular culinary herb, but aside from its kitchen uses, it can be used to rid of mucus and phlegm in your throat. Oregano contains the compounds carvacrol and rosmarinic acid. These compounds have expectorant properties that can help loosen and thin out the mucus in your throat, making it easier to expel. Its antibiotic properties help fight off infections that contribute to the excess mucus and phlegm you're experiencing. One way to experience the benefits of oregano for throat congestion is by adding its oil to a diffuser or vaporizer. The diffuser or vaporizer releases its aromatic compounds into the air for your inhalation. Inhaling oregano soothes the throat and reduces inflammation. It also supports the easy removal of mucus. You can also consume oregano in food or tea by adding fresh or dried herbs to your meals and teas. Another way is by brewing it as tea and drinking it warm. The combination of warmth and its compounds can reduce and thin the mucus in your throat, so you can remove it easily. One important thing to note about using oregano to get rid of mucus and phlegm is that it is highly concentrated. Too much consumption is not good for your health, especially if you have any health conditions. Following the recommended dosage and consulting your healthcare professional before using this herb is best. Whether you choose to use oregano in your meals, tea, or in oil form, it can provide you with the relief you're looking for and contribute to a clearer respiratory system. 7. Mullein. The last herb on this list is mullein. Mullein is a flowering plant notable for its wonders in the respiratory system. It contains a property called mucilage. Mucilage is a gelatinous substance with soothing and expectorant effects. That means that it can thin out the mucus in your throat. The commonest way to use mullein is by brewing it as a tea. Steep dried mullein flowers or leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain it, and drink. Aside from its soothing effect, it reduces inflammation and supports excess mucus removal. You can also apply it topically to your throat, but it is more difficult. You can also get mullein in herbal cough syrups, tinctures, and lozenges. However, they might have other herbal ingredients combined in them. While this herb is perfect for getting rid of mucus and phlegm in your throat, some people are allergic to it. It is best to start with a very small amount to confirm whether you're allergic. If you experience any negative side effects, please discontinue the usage. You can choose from this long list of herbs and continue your treatment. Consult your healthcare professional before using this herb in cases of underlying medical conditions. Add mullein to your tea and experience the potential benefits of this wonderful herb for a clearer throat and respiratory system. Excess mucus and phlegm can be very uncomfortable, but you do not have to endure that discomfort. With these herbs, you can get rid of them through tea inhalation, tea, essential oil, or extract.